What's up, kids? Just wanted to do something real quick to maybe save somebody some time. But it was last year. I was sitting in the garage, nothing better to do, and I had picked up this Starbrite Hull Cleaner and never used it. And I've got a ski boat that stays in the water all summer, and about every 3 to 4 weeks I have to pull it out. And what I use, and this is why. All that mildew and algae would grow on it, and you would not believe how much it affects the performance of the boat. Just pulling up skiers, tubers, just getting on plane. So I pull it out every month or so, and would have to pressure wash and scrub with a brush, and it was quite an ordeal. So anyway, I'm sitting in the garage and I start reading this, and it just says basically spray it on and wait. And I was thinking to myself, is that possible? So I came out here and I did it, and I just started spraying this stuff, and it takes me to do my whole hole, one bottle. It's about 10 bucks, so it's not that, it's worth it to me, because I would take a couple hours to get my boat cleaned and ready. And I mean, I've literally cut down my time in half. But basically I just spray the stuff all over and all over the bottom, and I just spray, and the longer you wait, the longer it seems to work, the better it seems to work. Obviously you don't want to wait too long for it to dry or anything, but I'll wait until I see all the white coming through, and then I'll take my pressure washer and wash it off. But I'll show you the end result. I will say one thing: when you're spraying this stuff back here, do not spray in your bellows, because if you saw my last video, I had to replace my shift cable bellows, and this is the only thing that we can come up with, me and my neighbor, that I probably sprayed that in there, and it deteriorated the rubber. But anyway, I'll show you what happens when this stuff gets done doing its work. Okay, so you can basically see where I sprayed and then where I didn't quite get the spray. You can see how much whiter that is. I don't know what kind of mad scientist came up with this, but this stuff's pretty legit. And anyway, it saves me a bunch of time when I want to be running on the lake, but I'm busy cleaning my boat, so it helped me. Hopefully it helps you. See you. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's done. And yeah, I use the magic marker. Obviously my child has been running into the dock a little bit, but yeah, I use Mr. Clean magic pads up on the top. And as a bonus tip, that's right, kids, today we get a bonus tip for like this mildew stuff right here, because we had a bunch of rain. That mildew stain remover, man, it's kind of like the hole remover. Just spray it on. And just let it do its thing, let it run down, and you'll see this just start getting white. And then I do wipe it down once I'm done. Sometimes you need to do 2 or 3 quick squirts, but that stuff's pretty awesome. Anyway, hope it helped.